all the way up here to the Sawfires meeting, and Rick and Bobcat. Oh, it's a Bobcat. It ain't technically a Trailblazer. Yeah, piece of shit, Rick and Bob. Yeah. You think his mom bought him that?
Yeah.
You think she got it for him new or used?
It's new.
This week and got logs. Everybody high.
You're gonna put it on Facebook. He's gonna put it. They come in and start tormenting me right off the bat. I mean, we're nervous about showing up late.
I'm not tormenting you at
No,
all.
scared of
I'm actually a big time fan. Big time fan.
No kid.
Yeah,
that
man.
is amazing.
And I would have liked to have met Chipper Guy too, but you didn't even bring him along either.
That was pretty cool.
That was
pretty cool.
That was
we talked.
Boy, they spent some change on this baby, didn't they? Wow. Look at that. There's my coffee cup. I don't know what size chain that is, but huh. I don't say. Yeah, I don't say.
Wow. What a drive.
That's DC, I think. 'Cause that's a cooling fan on it. Huh.
they'll back that up and that gets that idler gets tension on it, so they got that kind of linkage to tighten it. What a chunk of metal. And that's obviously had to been re-welded. I don't know what it does. It's part of that frame thing. That's busted loose before. Huh. Interesting. What does a good job debarking though? How they done their elbows for wear. That's pretty cool. See how they both on? Wide chipper throat. That's nice. Pretty heavy duty wide chipper throat. That's pretty nice. Huh. Interesting. Tank out here. Guess air compressors in that building over there. Look at the remote grease. I like that, the remote grease fittings. Check this out. Fit all in there. That's pretty cool. Make grease in a cinch. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Pretty daggone cool. And I got all the cameras up here telling what's going on here.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this over here, Rick and Bo. Of course, I ain't looking for reasons a dog on the debark or nothing. That's cool, but I mean, look, it didn't miss if you throw in this shit like that too. But look at the hardwood part. They wouldn't feel a bit of it, do they? But that's turning. That's changing. That bark is flaking off too. That's 8-foot wheels on that, ain't it? That's probably 8-foot wheels. Holy cow, look at those clippers. See how heavy duty their clippers are? Hey! Hey! Oh, mercy. I need to get over and look at that. Oh, I like the way these guys think that planetary is all over the damn thing.
That gets us up to Turner Station. Think there's ever been cans down here? Probably not, huh?
Do you see how the fence where they transfer off of them is angled? So it helps them spirals work. I think that's going to be important. See, because I was wanting to do the same sort of deal on the grading station. That angled fence. It'd be nice to see what that back fence is if it's straight. I bet it's angled as well.
Yep. Just barely, but it's angled.
Look at that airline.
Yeah, big boy. Pretty cool. What would be the downfall to this? You see rust flakes getting into your components?
Probably. You'd have a lot of.
I could see that being a drawback, you know.
Yeah, I think them compressors work for everything we got.
Yeah. But I mean, the trunk line, that's good. That's little resistance, you know, to your. Power coming in.
Compressor, large, and in charge.
There's how the drive system comes in. There's the band unit drive. That's a, how much horse is that? It's like a 400, ain't it? Well, I bet they don't. I bet they use that crane wherever it's at. I don't guess they do they? I don't guess they do. Look at the lacing of heavy duty belt. R5 rivet lacing. It's hard to imagine how old that belt is. Still in that kind of shape, you know. Big pulleys. Big diameter. Now see, that one ain't angled, but it's got a lubricated style slide, you know. Well, from that height to dropping, how often do you think pieces get stuck in here? I guess not very often. Everything's gonna make it out to there before it teeters in.
That's what it's much better than that number. It's back up there.
How the freak do you get over there? Yeah. Well, for some reason they decided they needed that here. And it just goes to the edge. Maybe they get some big boards to the edge. This table's got to drop for it to pinch and go. Yeah, boy. Prodigy. Do what?
So their lumber looks good for hickory.
Notice how they offset the wheels so they don't lock up in a spot at the same time? They like hits at different, your peaks at different times instead of putting all that pressure in one spot. Interesting. Pretty smart, ain't it?
The roller, the way they drive.
Both. Or, yeah. You say everybody's getting new welders. That's a 250. Ours is bigger. Yep. And less dusty. And got a hood. Oh, they got a hood too. Well, we got blanket footers too. This is what we wanted to start Stevie out trucking in. If I had my way, this is what he'd be driving. Yep, he's short stack Super Steve. Ooh, bad news there, huh? Old style cat, ain't it? That's an old son, bud. Whatever it is. Lots of planetary draws. What does these run? What kind of chains over there do they run? Some big boys.